how to get your 1099 Google AdSense form. So to get your tax 1099 file form from Google AdSense, what you're going to do is you're going to simply head over to google.com/AdSense. Now, with that being said, you're either already logged in or you'll have to log into your Google account. Now from there, you're going to head all the way down to payments. Now into the payment section, you're going to head over to payments information. You can see I do not have any payments option or stuff added. But if you have your payment accounts added or set up, now instead of all these things or the verification check that I have here, you're going to have like a form and Dropbox menu that basically declares all the specific documents that you want to be downloading and looking up at. Out of these documents, you're going to navigate to the 1099 miscellaneous form that is supposed to come up right here, and you're going to click on it and download it. And that is it. That is a simple and easy way for you to basically download and get your 1099 form from Google AdSense. I hope this video helps, and be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.